Here's a fun little dance called the Cowboy Charleston. It is very, very versatile, and it's a shorter dance in that there's less steps. It's only a 16 count dance, so there's two sets of 8 counts in it. So I like to do this one to Zac Brown Band's Knee Deep, but it goes with a lot of different songs. And yeah, I broke my elbow, so sorry about the arm brace. So this one starts with a Charleston, and I like to do it just a straight style, so it's front, you just touch in the front, then together, then touch in the back, together. And then you do it again, touch in the front, together, touch in the back, together. Now you can do it the more traditional, like Roaring 20 style Charleston, where you, where you swing, you know, where you swing your foot around, which is fun. But again, a lot of times the Western style is a little bit just more the straight. So it's front touch together, back touch together, front touch together, back touch together. And that is your first set of 8 counts. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now the next section of the dance is going to be, you're gonna tap your right foot out to the side twice. And you can either do it with your toe or your heel. So it's gonna be tap, tap. Then we're gonna do something called a sailor step. And what that is you're gonna, from here, our weight is on our left foot. You're gonna step back on your right, step on your left, then step back on your right. So again, it's right, left, right. And that takes a little bit of practice to get the feeling down for those. So there's only the one, but what I like to do in class is have people do it on both sides, kind of just to get the feeling down for the sailor step. And I feel like if you overthink this, it gets harder. So the sailor step, so just practicing the sailor step, it's sailor step, sailor step, sailor step, sailor step. There's just the one, but again, if you want to pause the video right now and just get that down so you get the feeling, that might be a good idea. Okay, so like I said, so it's tap, tap, sailor step. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Tap, tap, and now it's going to have the same kind of timing as the sailor step, but we're actually going to do a grapevine while turning a quarter turn to the right. But it's a syncopated grapevine because the timing is a little bit different. It's more similar to the sailor step. So you'd be tap, tap, then turn to the right with the grapevine. So tap, tap, then grapevine. And that's your wall change. So going through the counts for that second set, it would be 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that's the whole dance. So I will go through it doing the wall changes. So it would be the Charleston, so front together, back together, front together, back together, tap, tap, sailor step, tap, tap, grapevine turn. And then again. So the Charlestons, 2 of them, the taps, sailor step, and then again you could do it with your heel, so then you could go heel, heel, grapevine, turn. Okay, the 2 Charlestons, so front together, back together, front together, back together, tap, tap, sailor step, tap, tap, grapevine. And that is the whole dance. So I'm going to put a link to the demo of this dance being done to music. I'll do it to, like I said, Zac Brown Band's Knee Deep. It's very fun, and again, it's a short dance, not a lot of steps to it. So it's good for beginners.